Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming prerequisites: money, bait, and the merchant quest. Walk to Harbor Market now. You do not need extra gear yet. Once there, find the blue robe trader near the pier and open dialogue. Select the trade option labeled Fish Tools to reveal the trading rod. You do this because the quest unlocks preferred pricing. If the option is grayed out, make sure the quest is active and your inventory has 2 free slots before proceeding. Once the trade window is open, choose whether to pay gold or swap 2 high-quality fish to lower cost. You select the fish if you want to conserve gold. Otherwise, pay 1,000 gold for immediate purchase. Confirm the trade and watch the 3-second exchange animation to ensure the transaction completes. Make sure you have the proper rod slot free. If you do not, move an item now. This step matters because after the rod appears in your inventory, equip it immediately into the rod slot so bonuses apply. You should cast once to confirm functionality and note any durability or trade bonus icons. If the rod is missing or the trade did not complete, first reopen the trader dialog and check transaction history. If that does not work, relog to refresh server sync, then contact support with time and item details. This resolves most issues quickly and prevents repeated losses.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.